So I've taken 6 roughly sliced tomatoes in a medium cooker, adding in few garlic cloves to this. Also adding in few of coriander leaves, little turmeric powder, rock salt, adding water enough to submerge all of them, and I'm going to pressure cook this for about 3 medium whistles. Put the lid and the weight. Now switch on the stove and I'm going to pressure cook this for about 3 medium whistles. Then turn off the flame, let it cool down, and then we will open it. So as you can see, the cooker has finished its 3rd medium whistle. So I'm going to turn off the flame here and wait till all the pressure has gone. After all the pressure has gone, I will remove the lid and I will strain out just the water, keeping the solid contents in the cooker itself. Okay, and now I'm going to cool this solid contents till it is completely cool and then blend it into a fine paste without adding water. Now in a vessel on low flame, I'm adding in some oil. Once the oil becomes hot, I'm going to add in few mustard seeds. They will start to splutter. Also, I'm going to break in few dry red chilies. Few curry leaves. Saute it once. I'm also going to add in a pinch of asafoetida. Saute it for a minute. Once they all start to splutter, I'm going to add in that strained water directly into this. Okay, you can see that it will sprinkle all the way, and also the blended paste. Add in some water to the mixie and remove the remaining ingredients from the mixie. Also adding in pepper powder and cumin powder. Giving this a good mix. Now I'm going to cover this and boil this for about 7 to 10 minutes. Now it's completely done. Okay, see, this is the consistency. Okay, now we will turn off the flame, and then I'm going to add in juice of 1 lemon into this. Okay, add it and cover it, and it is ready to be served. This is best had with hot white rice, and it is a very healthy recipe. It's very good for your gut, your stomach, and it is also called as the Indian soup. Okay, it has all the goodness of garlic and cumin, pepper, which will help in also digestion. So like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next time. Until then, take care guys. Bye bye.